Hi! In front of me is Microsoft Surface Pro X, and today I would like to show you how you can respond on this device. First of all, open Settings and tap on System section. Now you need to click on Display over here. Scroll down just a bit and click on Skull. Following that, tap on text size and swipe left or right over here in order to adjust it. You can see a preview above. When you're ready, in order to save your changes, tap on Apply. Then wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, size of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!